I made a mistake. I got HighLevel certified, and honestly, I don't recommend it unless you actually want to understand what you're selling. See, I thought I had this platform down cold and I understood it. After over a year inside of HighLevel, building automations, phone systems, websites, and workflows, I figured certification was just like every other paper certification out there, a badge for beginners. Something you do to say, look, I passed a test. But turns out it's not quite accurate. I was definitely wrong. Now, the certification isn't just a badge. It's two parts, a written exam and a practical build, which means you don't just answer multiple choice questions. You actually have to prove that you can design, configure, and troubleshoot a full system the right way. And that's where most people tap out. Because being self-taught feels good until you're asked to set up something like an LC phone system, build a compliant workflow, or connect a custom domain without breaking someone's live funnel. See, that's when you realize how much you didn't know. Now, at first, I honestly rolled my eyes at the whole thing. I've gotten other certifications. I thought, do I really need this certificate to validate my skills? But somewhere between the third quiz and the practical exam, something started clicking. The course forced me to slow down, to see how each piece of the platform fits together and why HighLevel was designed that way in the first place. And I'll tell you, that's where the value is. Because when you understand the why, you stop memorizing and you start mastering. And here's what they don't tell you at the start. When you get certified, you're not doing it alone. You see, there's an entire certified community that opens up to you, an exclusive network of people who've gone through the same test, proven their skills, and share tips, templates, and opportunities all the time. It's part mastermind, part job board, and part ongoing classroom. So you get access to advanced learning modules before they go public, new courses designed to sharpen your edge, and connect with instructors who actually work inside HighLevel, not some random YouTubers guessing from the outside. And when you really do need help, you can talk directly to certified support, experts who understand your challenges and can actually help you solve them. Now, that's not marketing hype. That's the real difference. Now let's talk about what happens after you pass. You see, once you're certified, you're listed in the official HighLevel Certified directory. And that's where the HighLevel team pulls from when clients or agencies ask, who can you trust? They literally recommend you for jobs. That alone can pay for the certification 10 times over. But it does go deeper because certified professionals get real access to exclusive freelance listings, real projects that only certified admins can bid on. They get early insider tips and tricks on new platform features before the public rollout. And they're often first in line when HighLevel needs testers, beta feedback, or expert panelists for new updates. So yeah, you could say there's a little insider advantage baked in. But what's the biggest perk? Confidence. Because once you pass both the written and the practical, you stop second guessing yourself. You know exactly why something works, where to look when it doesn't, and how to explain it to clients in plain English. And that's what separates you from the average user. Anyone can claim to be a HighLevel expert, but certification proves it. It sets you apart in a crowded market. It shows that you have deep proficiency, not just surface level skills, and clients see that. It's the difference between being treated like a freelancer and being trusted like a professional. And you can charge more because you're not just selling time, you're selling certainty. You can choose better projects with better clients because you've built credibility that honestly can be verified. So yeah, don't get certified unless you actually want to stand out in a crowded market, earn more through proven expertise, and be seen as the go-to professional that people go to when they're in a jam. Now, if you prefer to stay almost confident, hey, keep watching tutorials and skipping the test. But if you want to be the person others hire to fix their broken automations, then maybe it's time to take that step. because this certification doesn't just validate your skills. It connects you to a network, accelerates your learning, and opens doors you didn't even know existed. So here's my advice. Don't get certified until you're ready to be taken seriously. If you're curious about where to start, I'll drop my affiliate link below where you can find out more about HighLevel Certification program. And if you want to turn that certification into real income, go ahead and join my community, GHL Money Labs. That's where we go beyond the test and show you how to turn your skills into clients, cash flow, as well as confidence. Now, full transparency. If you use my link, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's one way to support the channel while getting access to the exact tools I use. So yeah, don't get certified unless you're ready to prove you actually know your stuff. Now, what's one feature inside of HighLevel you thought you really understood until you had to explain it to someone else? Drop it down in the comments. I read everyone.